We've made our business successful by focusing one person at a time. That's why we treat everyone with the same care and attention every single time. And now we're proud to share some great feedback. Take a look. We really appreciate it when someone is kind enough to write about their experience with our staff. We believe reviews like this are a great testament to our commitment of quality. Our team loves to share this positive feedback with the world, so you can feel confident that you're turning to the right company for your needs. You shouldn't settle for anything but the best, and we would love the chance to show you why we receive such amazing reviews. We appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We are only one call away from serving you.